welcome to my channel. My name is chelleyvelle. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video in particular, I'm going to be showing you how I go about maintaining my natural hair underneath this unit. So I tend to be a little bit more active. I go to the gym at least 3 times a week. And so you will see in this video that I went ahead and just washed my hair, 2-strand twist, and then put this unit on. I also have a makeup tutorial that I will post in another video in case that's not something you want to see in this video. Please message me in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see. This is going to be more of a beauty channel. What I mean by that is I'll be showcasing hair looks, makeup looks, doing some hauls as well, and just showcasing any kind of makeup that I'm into as of now. I am a makeup artist. I've been a makeup artist for 4 years at MAC Cosmetics, and I also do freelance makeup work on the side. So if you guys have any questions, I definitely will be asking you guys some questions because I know we have some amazing beauty gurus on the YouTube channel world that I'm just now getting into. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing a little bit more about how I went in tucking my hair underneath this unit, then continue watching, and I'll see you soon. So basically what you see I'm doing here is just picking out my hair. I'm using just a regular pick comb, and I'm starting from the scalp all the way out. And I'm not going towards the ends because obviously I have to put product in the hair to kind of, you know, soften it out just a little bit more. But my roots are super soft and my hair feels so fluffy. I love it. I love playing in it. I love my natural hair. I do wear it out a lot, actually, even in an afro. So, and it's getting so long. I do have a ton of gray hair. You probably can't even notice it, but yeah. And once I am done basically picking it out, I am going to proceed to, you know, sectioning it and getting it ready for twist out. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the twist out. First, I'm going to add some Dew Growth Triple Strength Hair Lotion. It's really good, helps against breakage. Then I'm going to add some clips and my mist spray bottle. I love this because it doesn't like keep my hair super drenched. So I'm going to part my hair right down the middle and like just kind of split it into 2 sides just so that I can focus on like one section at a time. You guys, I have a lot of hair. Like, seriously, it's no joke. I believe it is 4C. I know that when I put product in it, it looks super curly. I'm not really too keen on knowing the exact hair numbers and stuff, but I believe I am a 4C. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment below. So, mind you, my hair isn't even all the way dry because I just finished shampooing it and conditioning it. So, you know, it's a little damp, but, you know, the ends dry a lot faster than the scalp. So I just want to make sure that I have that handy dandy mist spray bottle on hand, and just go ahead and section my hair into like 4 sections. Okay, so I'm going to start to speed this up a little bit, just so I can get through this and it's not a long video. So as you can see, I sectioned the hair into like 4 sections, and then within the 4 sections, I just went ahead and, you know, divided the hair into two and just started twisting it all the way down. And I only missed my hair when I felt it was dry or starting to get dry. The product itself, the Do Grow, is amazing because it's a lotion, and so it's already watery and it looks purple. Like the moment you put it on your hair, you can see it. As you start to like rub it in or brush it or comb it in, it dissolves. And but yet it's still a lotion, so it still is like hydrating my hair, that I don't have to continue to use the spray bottle. And I would either finger comb my hair a little bit, and if it was still giving me a little bit of a hassle, then I'd go ahead and get that that comb. And there's also a black brush that you see I start to use as well, and that's like a tangle teaser, so that just kind of gets any of the snags, any of the knots. At this point, I'm like running out of the product. I'm pretty much at the very end. I have to get some more. It's awesome. I think it was like $6.59 at my local beauty supply store, so you can definitely get it. It has aloe vera, shea butter, beeswax, and herbal extracts enriched. So it's really, really good, and it's supposed to help reduce breakage and, you know, allow your hair to grow. And I can contest to it. It's worked for me, and I've used it for a while. So twisting up this last section right here, and I don't sit underneath the blow dryer. I let my hair just air dry. I'll let it air dry for like 10 or 15 minutes because my hair dries really, really fast. And then I will just go ahead and, you know, put on my satin cap, my black satin cap that I typically wear underneath my wigs. And I'm like ready to go at that point. And that's it. So I tend to put my wigs on after my makeup is done. So I am going to take this wig off and show you what wig cap I have on. And of course, my twist out is still underneath here. Now, I do know how to cornroll, but I stopped doing cornrows on my hair because I felt like it was affecting my hairline. I don't know, I tend to braid tight. So even doing it on myself, I kind of like that really sleek, straight back braid. And I had watched a YouTube video a long time ago on a YouTuber basically saying how it's probably best to do twist out. You're putting less tension on your hair, and honestly, I don't get any bulkiness at all. I know that's what some might think, like, well, you're tucking it underneath a cap, like, aren't you experiencing any bulkiness underneath your wig? No, I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It does have a clip in the back. Oh, also, I didn't glue it on. I tend to use glue every now and then, but I kind of have seen some recent videos of people having some sort of like a tan line. I just don't want that. And I have an elastic band, so it's pretty much snug and secure. If I want any sort of extra support, then I will go ahead and like put some bobby pins or whatever on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And this unit is from AliExpress, so it came all the way from China. I actually have had it for some time now, and it's actually really, really good. It's supposed to be a Brazilian body waterway, I believe. I'm probably butchering the name, so, but I love it. I have not straightened this unit at all. I might just get another one and then test it out by straightening it, but I'm not ready for that now. And of course, as you can see, my twist out that I have just previously finished, so it's still a little damp, was right underneath. This cap is what I would get at a beauty supply store. This is usually the cap I like to sew on as well. It's just super comfortable. You can get it on Amazon. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. Kind of slide my twist outs all the way to the back. Make sure it's secure. I prefer like that. I could feel my hair, you know what I'm saying? Also, like when, sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera. When I work out, I shampoo my hair once a week, and I probably do cold washes at least 2 times out of the week. So that's when I would like to wash it while my twists are still in my hair. It's just me. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig and just kind of bring it forward. I actually do it to the side this time because I like to put this right underneath. There is the clip, so I don't forget the clip. And as you can see, the unit itself was a little small, and I didn't even bother going through the hassle when I was like corresponding with customer service on like why it wasn't fitting right. And it's not due to the bulkiness of the twist out, because also when my hair was corn rolled, I noticed the same thing. It just wasn't fitting. But instead of dealing with the whole ordeal to have to send it back to China, and that was taking like, I think it took 3 weeks to come to me, so I didn't want to wait another 3 weeks. I was like, it's fine, I'll put an elastic band, I'll just deal with it. Other than that, I mean, I normally wear it off to the side. I can tuck this underneath as well. But there you have it. It's easy for me to maintain. I've noticed that my hair grows a lot faster when I have it underneath this protective style. So you guys let me know in the comments below, how do you feel about wearing wigs and units? Does that in fact protect your hair? Yeah, just let me know how you feel about units while maintaining your natural hair. And stay tuned for the video on this makeup look. And I'll have all the details of this unit in the description box.